Okay, welcome aboard our cabin tour 7598 on Serenade of the Seas. This is set up as a 4-berth, 2 teenage daughters and myself and my wife. As you can see, there is a sofa here. It's only a small sofa, but that converts into a single bed. You've got the double, and then you've got a small bunk over the top. The weight limit on that is quite considerable. It's 150 kilos, so it can take a reasonable amount. There is a reasonable amount of storage space in terms of the wardrobes. I mean, I would say it has seen slightly better days, this ship. I think it's the best part of 20 odd years old. There are shelves, etc. in here. As you can hear, it's nice and creaky, but it does the job. We can't complain. Lots of drawers. There's a hairdryer in one of them. There's a couple of US style plugs, then a couple of European style plugs in there as well. Drawers. There's a small fridge in here that you can stock with your own items. You are allowed to bring on a small amount of your own drinks onto the ship. TV, and then a small safe in the cupboard. Moving back into the bathroom area, it's all very compact and nice. One nice thing is that you have actually got a proper shower cubicle, so no dreaded shower curtains. The water pressure is really good as well, and then a nice little vanity unit. Everything, although dated, is nice and clean. And you can move in on, coming out onto the balcony. So we've obviously done all the magnetic hooks and everything just to help organise everything. Then we're coming out onto the balcony. Say hello, Millie.
Hi. That was an orca over there.
That was an orca. We're currently on a cruise in Alaska, and there is so much wildlife, it's unbelievable. The balcony here is really good. It's set out a tiny bit, so we are able to look down the length of the ship, and it is slightly larger than some of the other balconies as well, but that's perfect for us and ideal for a week away. Some more sockets just by the side of the bed, then lights, etc. as well. Thank you very much.